Hey, what is up YouTube? In this video, I'll show you how to watch Netflix with NordVPN. The most common reason for wanting to use a VPN with Netflix is to watch content that isn't available in your region. For example, if you're a fan of NCIS but live outside of the US, you won't be able to watch it on Netflix without a VPN. But no worries, because in this video, I'll show you 3 ways that you can watch Netflix with a VPN. These instructions assume that you already have a NordVPN subscription, but if you don't, you can use the link in my description to get a discount on one. Now, let's get started. In the first method, I'll walk you through how to watch Netflix with a VPN on your computer. Start by logging into the NordVPN.com website. Then, click the Download tab on the left. Click the Download App button for the appropriate operating system. Once downloaded, launch the installation file. When the installation completes, select the country that you desire to receive an IP address from. I selected United States, so all the US Netflix content should now be available to me. Once your VPN is connected, you can minimize it and open the web browser. Navigate to netflix.com, then sign in with your Netflix account. Once you're in, you'll have access to all the content of the region that you selected. For the second method, I'll walk you through how to do this on your phone. Start off by navigating to the App Store. Search for it and download NordVPN. Once it's installed, tap to open it. Then, enter your sign-in credentials when prompted. Once you're in, search for the country that you wanted to receive an IP address from, and tap the country to connect. Once connected, open the Netflix app on your phone, then sign into it. Now, you'll be able to access content from whatever region you're connected to on NordVPN. Finally, to get this done on your smart TV, first navigate to the App Store of your smart TV, then search for NordVPN. Click on it, then click to install it. Once installed, follow the on-screen steps to log in. Now, navigate over to the country of your choice and click it to connect to it. Once connected, open the Netflix app of your smart TV, sign into it, and you're now able to access all the content of the country that you're connected to. There you have it. You now know how to watch Netflix with NordVPN. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, please click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe by clicking my logo at the bottom right of this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video.